Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smash and Bash. Today, we're going to smash a hairdryer. But before we start, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Make sure you subscribe to my other channel, and that is called Vlog Smashers 78. And also, before we start, I want to mention a new series that is coming up. It's called Survival. It will be on my Vlog Smashers channel. It's called Survival, and it's about us surviving and giving survival tips. And a few other people. It's me, him, and a few other people. So I think you guys are really gonna like that. So, let's get to smashing. Of course, when you're smashing something, you should always have safety glasses. Sorry guys, for some reason, the video was not recording when I smashed the hairdryer for the first time. I'm not sure why. We'll just keep the video going. I'm sorry about that. So, sorry. So here it is. Here's the little fan blade thing. It's like a fidget spinner. Yeah. Now Riley's gonna try.
Okay. This is heavier than I remember. 3, 2, 1.
Try again.
Again. Okay.
It's been a while.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
I knew it.
I am going to try once again, and then Riley will try again. Alright.
Sorry.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's try that again. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Thank you guys for watching that video. Please subscribe to both of my channels and like the video. Stay tuned for the trailer for